Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Starting Excel and exploring the Excel program window. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application used for many different types of tasks, mostly related to using and comparing data. People often use Excel to crunch numbers, create budgets, compare costs and scores, create charts for presenting data visually, create forms and mailing lists, create inventory and part number lists, and much more. When Office 365 apps are installed on your computer, you typically find icons to launch the apps on your Windows desktop. You may navigate to an icon and press Enter or double-click it with the left mouse button to open the app. Alternatively, you may also start typing Excel in the Windows search box to find it in the Start menu. I'll start Microsoft Excel using the Search Edit box in the Start menu.
Search box edit. Excel, app. Press right to switch preview. Enter. Opening-Excel, Opening-Excel, Excel, new, Office list box, blank workbook, 1 of 7, Alt followed by F, H, L.
Microsoft Excel 365 is like the other Office 365 products in overall layout. Initially, the program opens to a startup screen in the Backstage view. This startup screen contains several templates you can use in Excel. To close this screen and get to a blank workbook, just press Escape.
Escape. Book 1, Excel, Sheet 1, blank, A1.
You may move to different parts of the Excel window that may be open by pressing F6 or Shift F6. The different parts of the window may include the title bar at the top of the window, the Quick Access toolbar on the left side of the title bar, Search, Alt plus Q, Quebec, in the middle of the title bar, ribbon tabs and lower ribbon groups of controls, a formula bar, the main program window. Sheet tab names appear at the bottom of the window. Think of how the divider tabs in a file cabinet are oriented upward. In Excel, the sheet tabs hang down from the bottom of the window. The taskbar at the bottom of the window, and also various task panes and dialog boxes. I'll press F6.
F6, Sheet tab, Sheet 1 tab.
That's the sheet tabs down at the bottom of the page.
F6, Status bar toolbar, Status bar, Accessibility checker, Accessibility : good to go button.
Status bar.
F6, Ribbon, Alt followed by H, upper ribbon.
Ribbon.
F6, Leaving menus, Leaving ribbons, blank, A1.
And back to the worksheet. The default Excel workbook is made up of a single worksheet. The worksheet consists of a grid of columns and rows. The intersection of a column and row is called a cell. Column headers are labeled A alpha through Z, Z, and then AA alpha alpha through AZ alpha Z, BA through BZ, that's B alpha and B bravo Z, and so on up to XFD, that's X-ray Foxtrot Delta, that is 16,384 columns. The rows are numbered from 1 to over 1,000,000. More columns and rows can be added if necessary, and more worksheets can be created, and they can also be deleted. Thanks for joining us today.
Freedom Scientific of Aspero brand. If you are interested in other training, please visit us on the web at freedomscientific.com/training and on YouTube on our Freedom Scientific training channel.